Hello everyone, my name is Shubhi Choubey and today I'm here with a very interesting topic that is ChatGPT. तो आप ChatGPT को कैसे अपनी प्रिपरेशन में यूज़ कर सकते हैं, मैं इसके बारे में आज आपसे बात करने वाली हूँ। जब हम एग्ज़ाम्स की प्रिपरेशन करते हैं या मान लीजिए कि हम किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्पस से अपनी इंग्लिश पे काम करना चाहते हैं, तो उसके लिए आप कैसे ChatGPT का यूज़ कर सकते हैं, उस पे आज हम बात कर लेते हैं। तो लेट्स फर्स्ट ओपन दैट पेज ChatGPT. Okay, chat.openai.com, that's the URL. Okay, now here I have to type a message. So let's say I want to work on my English. Let's say I want to take some lessons, or let's say that I want to practice a few questions. What I can do, I can write create a English quiz for me. Okay, and it is going to create a questionnaire for me, and what all I have to do is I have to choose the right options from here, and it is going to tell me whether I am right or wrong, plus what is the explanation, why am I wrong if I'm wrong. Okay, so let's see. For the first question, which of the following is a proper noun? Let's answer randomly. Okay, let's answer randomly. Let's say we are saying, for first question we are saying A. All right, now it's saying correct, New York is a proper noun. Let's say for the second question I'm randomly doing this C. Okay, now since we have entered an incorrect answer, it is going to explain why you are wrong. Sorry, that's incorrect. The correct answer is B, die. The sentence should be, she is going to dye her hair before the party. Die means to stop living, while dye, dye, means to color something. So you can see how interesting it is. You can create n number of quizzes from here. Now let's say I'm writing a birthday wish and I want ChatGPT to beautify that sentence. So let's say beautify this sentence. Happy birthday, dear friend, or let's say dear sister, I wish you good health and happiness. Okay, so I have written it. Now it is going to create a beautiful sentence for me. Warmest wishes on your birthday, dear sister. May this special day brings you not only joy and happiness, but also good health and a world of opportunities to achieve your dreams. Wow, it can read my mind. So it is going to give you awesome results. There are so many things that you can try using this. While we are talking about the preparation of exams, tips to improve vocabulary. Here you're going to find so many tips to improve your vocabulary. Give me a reading comprehension passage to practice. So comprehension passage, I'm asking ChatGPT to provide me a RC passage for practice. It has provided me this random passage, that is the benefit of exercise. Now you can practice your reading from here. You can even practice when you read all like this whole paragraph, this whole passage. You're going to get an idea of what it is trying to convey. Now from that it is going to give you a questionnaire as well. So questions are also there. What are some physical benefits of exercise? So that you have to answer from that passage. Okay, so I can even ask it to provide me some MCQs based on this passage. Now apart from this, let's say create a general awareness quiz for me. Let's see. So these are some general questions. create a quiz as per the pattern of SSC CGL exam. I have to stop generating the results from here now. Create a quiz as per the pattern of SSC CGL exam. So as you can see here, section 1, general intelligence and reasoning. So it is giving me the questions for general intelligence and reasoning, exactly as per the pattern of SSC CGL. So it is an extremely useful tool for you to practice, to explore new areas, how you can improve on the areas where you were weak at. Okay, so do give it a try, and there are so many other useful things that you can do using ChatGPT, and we are going to talk about it in the next session. So I really hope you all enjoyed the session. Please do subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any update regarding the coming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.